Yo, yo, Mike Emilio. Yo, knocking at the door, ain't no choice but let us in. Feel the adrenaline, my lieutenant's menacing. We came to take control, we came to rule the planet. Messing up your plans, and I know that you can't stand it. Oh, we notorious, battlefield warriors. Do it B.I.G., always victorious. Up from the underground, we came to run it now. Forget London Bridge, everything is falling down. Resistance is intact, we gon' push them back. Criminal minded, you've been blinded. Don't fuck with them crooked cats, and they envy us. We do not give a fuck. You got a problem? Tell that to Kanji Club. We do not give a fuck. Yeah, okay, we coming through. All of y'all get out the way. We the bad boys, always ready to come out and play. Oh, you riding solo? I bet you won't hang. Kanji Club, we the most dangerous gang. This I promise you, we responsible for all this mayhem. We do what we wanna do. Better check your tone, you don't want another episode. Cause when the force awakens, all the fake gon' get exposed. I'ma keep it real with you. Huh? You made a deal with who? Fuck that. Matter of fact, I'ma let my mans go and deal with you. And they envy us, we do not give a fuck. Y'all know where we from, straight out of Kanji Club. We do not give a fuck.
and fear subside. As I get mystical, I seek and find the truth. I'm more than just a breath. I'm everything to you. You save me from the edge of a razor blade. You save me from the edge of a razor blade.
comes to the rules, we don't apply these. We don't do IDs, but we on the wave like the high seas. We live by the code, and we only came for the gold. Yeah, that's how we roll. Ain't nobody messing with my thieves. And this is my crew. We do what we wanna do. This here might not be for you. This what we wanna be. Up in the sand and the sun. Cannons and guns. Bandanas and rum. This is the life for me, Tortuga. Yo, trouble and sin, down here blows in the wind. Temptation's a bitch, and that bitch always a win. You can feel it in the air. We live free, we don't care. So open the beer, let's make a toast. Blow some smoke in the air, yeah. This is your captain speaking to you, and this is an order. Better leave your conscience and all that back at the border. Swimming in beautiful women, surrounded by all this Caribbean water. Man, we party harder than Mardi Gras up in the city of New Orleans. This is my crew. We do what we wanna do. This here might not be for you. This what we wanna be. Up in the sand and the sun. Cannons and guns. Bandanas and rum. This is the life for me, Tortuga.